Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Blue Chip Algos. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about a few trading calculators or trading tools that we have developed and hosted on our website. Please note that these are not the algo tools, but these are, very essential trading tools that we need in our day-to-day trading life. So we are going to discuss about what are the various tools that are available and how to use each and every tool. But before we begin, in case if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, because as I mentioned earlier, these are the innovative tools that we are developing and putting it on our website. In case if you want to get notified, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so let's get started. This is the website, bluechipalgos.com, where we host a variety of algo tools, indicators, strategies, and all that. As part of our website, there is a link called resources, and under that you can find a lot of pages, and in that there is one page called trading tools. Right, so if you click on that, it will take you to a whole new page where a lot of trading tools are available, and we are still developing a lot of more calculators and trading tools in future. So first, let's see what are the tools that are currently available. And remember, we don't get time to discuss about all these tools in one video, so we're going to split into multiple videos, and probably in this video we are just going to discuss about one tool, and the rest will be discussed in the subsequent videos. All right, so as you can see, we have five tools currently. First one is pivot point calculator. Second one is for trailing stop loss. Third one is for position sizing. As I mentioned, these are the innovative calculators you generally do not find anywhere, right? And then we also have option payoff graph, and then the compounding calculator. In this video, we are going to discuss about pivot point calculator. Remember, first one and last one, pivot point calculator and compounding calculator, are can be used by both option traders and equity traders, but second, third, and fourth, okay, these are extremely useful for option traders, right? So first, let's start with the pivot point calculator for this video. So what exactly is this calculator? Pivot point calculator gives you the resistance and support levels required to trade on any particular day, right? These values work, greatly if you combine it with some other indicators or overlays, and you will get an idea where we have the supports and where we have resistances. So let's go to trading view just to see what these pivot points are, in case if there are any beginners, it will help them. So you can see that this is a nifty chart, and if you go to indicators, you have a lot of indicators developed for these pivot points. Some are from community, some are from directly trading view. You can pick any of these. I just picked one random pivot point indicator. You can see that every day, this is a 5-minute candle, every day we get new levels, new supports and new resistances based on yesterday's levels. All right, so based on yesterday's levels, you can see that we have 3 supports and 3 resistances. Now people, what they do is, professional traders, they make use of these levels, they combine it with their own indicators or overlays, and then they trade. So these will be phenomenally useful in case if you are a technical analysis trader. And just to make it easier, what we have done is, we have developed a tool that gives you the level support and resistance levels if you input a few parameters. And as part of this, first you need to select the pivot calculator. There are a lot of uh, types of formula or calculators that are available to find out these pivot points. Now, one is a standard pivot point, second one is camarilla, third one is woodie, and then the fourth one is Fibonacci. So you can choose any of these. It depends on your favorite type of pivot point calculator, because some people use standard, some people use camarilla, so it's totally up to you which one you prefer. But we have given you an option to choose whichever is your favorite one. So first, let's look at the standard one. The input fields would be same, whatever you select. You can select Fibonacci or standard, whatever it is. Basically, it will ask you for three parameters: high, low, and closing price, right? Previous day high, previous day low, and previous day closing price. So if you, let's say, give 100 as the high price and 90 as the low price and 93 as the closing price, and hit on calculator, then you would be getting one pivot point, one support, sorry, two support points, and then two resistances. Okay, as I mentioned, you can see that the closing price of yesterday was 93. So your supports obviously will be below 93, below the closing price, and then the resistances will be above the closing price, right? You can also change the type of the calculator and hit on calculate. The levels would slightly be changing, not too much, but slightly be changing. Yeah, you can see that, even for Fibonacci we have like different resistances and support levels. In some cases it might actually change quite a bit. Okay, for example, now if you see the support one is at 90, and if I change it to camarilla, it's 82, right? So as I mentioned, some people might use standard pivot calculators, and some people might use camarilla or Fibonacci. So just decide whichever one you want. There is nothing called right or wrong. In some cases, some calculators or pivot point tools might be useful, and in some other cases I think other calculators might be useful. So decide that, and then combine it with your favorite indicator or overlay, and you will see some good results in your day-to-day trading life. So this is the first indicator, and remember, this is totally for free. Of course, you don't need to pay anything. All you have to do is just come to resources and then hit on trading tools. That's all you have to do. All right. And so that's all we have for this video. In the next video, we will be covering another tool, probably, yeah, compounding tool. We will cover this compounding tool in the next video. As I mentioned earlier, in case if you haven't subscribed to this video, please do subscribe and hit on bell icon. And thank you once again for watching the video. Have a great day.